So this is a Model S presenting door handle. So this is the #1 issue with all Model S. You can see what happens when you come up to the Tesla and you have the fob in your pocket. You click the fob, the door handle presents. This one was stuck in due to a broken paddle gear. The paddle gear is one of a couple issues with the 1st and 2nd generation door handle. See, there's a sensor right here, the switch, and that piece of metal right there, if you can barely see it, right there is broken. So the door handle would not extend, it was stuck in. The lady couldn't get in her back driver's side door. I've done plenty of these, fortunately, and it's not all that hard. The micro switches also to fail, but that doesn't seem to be the case on this one. So Tesla used pot metal. This was their 1st generation true production car. This is a 2012, I think, 2013. It's an old car. Anyway, something that most people could do on their own. Just a little bit of patience. And so I have this piece right here. I'm going to replace it, and I'll show you how you get it apart. Torx T25. Kind of hard to hold this, but those 3. This is the actual motor. Flips out. You can see it's stuck. So then I switch over to a T8, 1/4 inch. If I can get it in there. Okay. Micro switch sensor comes up. Now you have a small clip right here. I like to use one of these. Be careful, this thing will go flying. Or you can use the needle nose. This is hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. You can take 2 flatheads, push it down, take the pressure off the spring. The pin slides out, and then this pops out and you replace this right here. And you just reinstall everything back. And I'll have another video on how to actually put it back in the car and remove this door handle assembly. It's not too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Lay this back in there, bolt everything in. Once you reinstall that pin. And that's how you fix the presenting door handle when it's stuck due to the paddle gear.